Okay, this is the Swan 700 once again, and we're tuning the transmitter sections. We're on the driver section now, and we're reading the instructions, and they are saying remove the screen voltage from the finals, and so they call that point A. And point A is right here, where the two 100 ohm resistors are feeding screen into the two finals. So you can unsolder this wire here. That's the screen voltage. Don't let it ground out, just leave it there. So you can see here on the manual, they're talking about point A, and there's the two resistors. So that's been done. They also say take the bias counterclockwise. So take your bias down counterclockwise, go to full bias. And what this does is it quelches the finals and makes them not work or conduct. You don't want to burn your finals, I guess. So let's now zoom back out and go to the instruction part again of where we're working on this thing here. Okay. All right. So we're now at this spot. We've done this in the last video. We've taken our bias now, fully counterclockwise like that, fully counterclockwise. And we didn't do this part yet. So V4 and V5 are the finals, I'm guessing. Let's see, make sure I did that right. Let's zoom out on this one. So V4 and V5, where are those finals? They're over to the right. I'm thinking those are the finals. It better be, right? Dang, I'm having trouble tonight with this thing. Okay, there they are. And those are what? Can't even see anything. I can see something there. Let's zoom in. Zoom in. That's called V4, V5. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so that's copacetic. Now we're ready for the hot tamale. So I am not doing well with this damn mouse tonight. Okay, so let's take a look here. A field strength meter off pin 2 of V4, VTVM across R401, a 1K resistor. All right, 25 volt scale. I think our voltmeter can handle that without a VTVM. And then we're just gonna go like this. I'm not sure why they care about a field strength meter reading. Band switch in PA as follows. All right. If VTVM and field strength exceed full scale, go to receive, actuate, push and talk, insert carrier with carrier balance control. Insert the carrier with the carrier balance control. Weird. Field strength must both peak at the same time. Okay, well, yeah, that makes sense. All right, so everything else has been done. The carrier part we'll do later. Does that make sense? Both slugs and the balance modulator for max output. I guess that makes sense. The first IF coil for max output, increase the gain. Ugh. Okay, I guess that's all we gotta do. So we're almost there, thank goodness. All right, so let's get this right. We gotta find this R401, a 1K resistor, pins 1 and 2 of a terminal strip. Screen voltage R401. Geez, they don't say where it is, do they? Okay, well, I guess I'll go to the next video and have it all hooked up. Oh, look at that, R401, it's right there. R401. So that thing goes right into the finals, into the grid. So that's getting fed some voltage. No, that's getting fed bias. So what the hell? VTVM across R401, a 1K resistor, because one of the pins 1 and 2 of the strip. Okay. R401, it's a 1K resistor. And that goes to the pin 9 of the final. Okay, R401, a 1K resistor. That's going to be a brown, black, red. Okay, here's the finals. R401, where are you? Brown, black, red. Okay, there it is. I'm thinking that's it right there. There's the choke. And yeah, that must be it. So we'll put our meter on there and see what happens. Put the meter on there and see if we can see anything. The field strength, I don't know what we can do for that. I guess I can try and use my receiver. Okay, so we're gonna go here. And you wanna do this so it doesn't come off and short anything out. When you're working, you can bump things and these fly off and cause all sorts of havoc. Just like that insurance commercial with that guy that causes havoc. Okay, and then the other one, we need one more wire. Here's a wire right here that's going nowhere. And we need to find the terminal. Sorry that I'm not so organized, but I'm doing this without practice. We're doing it ad hoc here, as they say. But you're learning things, right? Okay, so here we go. Now, this is connected up correctly. There's no shorts. That's okay there. This hopefully is going to be okay here. Right there. That's going to be, I guess, the bias line. All right, so the trick is now, are we going to see any voltage across this meter? Or anything across it? All right, back to the instructions. Mouse disappeared. There it is. Instructions went off screen. There we go. So, what do we do here? Okay, we're gonna go to tune. Son of a gun. Okay, 80 meters, PA grid. We're gonna go to 80 meters, 3800. 80 meters, 3800. 12 o'clock. Turn this around. Sorry. 80 meters. We're on. Okay, let's go to 80. Power up. No, we got no power. Got no power. I always unplug this thing so I don't get shocked. Okay, plug it back in. Okay, fire it up. We want to go to 3800, is it? 3800, yes. 3800 is where? 36, 37, whoops. There's 38 right there. Is that 38 or 35? It's 35, wrong way. Okay. 3800. There it is right there. 3800. Right about in the middle, I guess. Makes sense. Okay. They want the PA grid at 12 o'clock. I'll take that. Grid. 12 o'clock right there. Okay. We're fired up. Now, if I go to tune, hopefully I'll get a reading on there. There's tune. Look at that. I got a reading. It's kind of going up. I don't like that. Okay, so anyway, we got a reading. L206 and L3, whoops, let's go around. L206 and L305. L206 and L305. Okay, 206 and 305. Which one was going to be? Driver and mixer. I wish they would put the L's on here. So we're on 80, so I'm guessing it's going to be this and this. And I'll guess that because I don't think there's any other adjustments for those coming up in the future here. No, there's not. So that's the ones we do. So we're going to do 206 and 305. I'm not sure it matters which one, but to make sense, we want to go first with the mixers and then with the driver coils. The mixers are first, and 80 meters are the two outlandish coils there. So that's it. Let's see what we can do. Do we go for more meter or what? Okay, what do we do here? Tune position. Max VTVM reading. Okay. In tune, so we max them out. All right, so here's the two 80s right here. 80 and 80, I suppose. And let's do it. Yep, look at that, two different wafers. All right, go to tune. Let this thing stabilize. Okay, it's hunting around. Now let's turn it. Whoa, look at that, sheesh. Sucker's flying up there. Now, how do it go to 900 volts? That's really bad. Something went wrong here. Something went way wrong. Power off. Because, did these wires short again? Like I said, these wires get all effed up. How can that go to 900 volts? Unless we got a short in the tube or something. That's plate voltage. That doesn't make sense to me how that would work. Power on. That's dangerous. I don't want to get shocked. Who said this was safe, huh? All right, so try it again. Let's go to tune. We're at 4 volts, 5 volts. Now it's saying what? 926 volts? Oh, maybe it's 9 volts. It seems like it's 900 volts. Okay, well, whatever. That's peaked, so shut it down. Now, I didn't look at field strength. Unfortunately, maybe I won't do that this time. So we peaked that one. How about this one? That doesn't do a damn thing. So what the hell? Why am I screwed here? Doesn't do a thing. Because why? That's 80 meter driver coils. You would think those would do something. Well, I could probably do the mixers with this method and then do the drivers watching the meter. I don't know. But that sure made a difference. All right, so this driver coil isn't doing a damn thing. And we're still running here. 80 meters. Does that really say 900 volts? I suppose it could. Across there. And would that mean I'm out of resonance? Let's see. So I go this way and it goes down to 350 volts. And then it goes down to there. And we keep going down. We have 500 volts. I'm really confused. Do we go for a dip here? So a dip is like right there. Now what about if I work with this? I have no idea what this thing's doing. There's 5 volts. 6 volts. So it almost seems like you want to dip this thing. I don't know. Anyway, it's a fail. Thanks for watching.